How to withdraw money from Z-League. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to withdraw money from your Z-League account. You can withdraw money from Z-League with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So, to withdraw money from Z-League. First things first, you'll need to open up your Z-League account and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Before you can withdraw funds, make sure your account is active. Also, ensure that you have a sufficient balance to withdraw. Without an active account and balance, the withdrawal option won't be available. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option by clicking on the gear icon. In the Settings menu, look for the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your balance displayed. Right next to your balance, you should find a Cash Out option. Remember, this will only appear if your account is active and you have enough funds available. If you see the Cash Out button, click on it. This will prompt a verification process for your withdrawal. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. It's as straightforward as that. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can withdraw your money from Z-League. It's a simple and quick process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.